SimpleStamping.com. Welcome to the craft room that blew up over the holidays. I don't know if any of you have a craft room like that, but today we're going to talk about how to get this explosion back in order. So one of the best methods I found for really organizing a craft room is a laundry basket. I find that when my craft room is already clean, it's not as overwhelming to clean. Does that make sense? So what I'm going to do with this laundry basket, I'm going to start getting everything that needs to be put away. All this stuff, we're going to get it all put into a laundry basket. All right, so you can see I've got most of the stuff off of my counters and my stamping space. Everything's here in the laundry basket. Now, what I want you to notice is it's kind of a happy space right now, isn't it, right? Well, when you have this spot cleaned off, you're kind of not as overwhelmed by just what's in this basket. I can now take the basket and I can begin to take things. Here's some stacks of paper. I know I can go ahead and put them away. So what you do at this point is now you have the laundry basket. Work your way around your stamp space, begin to unload, put things away. But again, when it's all in one little spot, it's not as overwhelming. I promise this is going to save you a ton, help get your room back in order so you can get back to crafting. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's 2-Minute Tuesday tip. Go get the grubbies on and get to cleaning. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.